Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing the brand new iPhone 16 Plus. I've made an unboxing on the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Pro, as well as the iPhone 16 Pro Max, so if you do want to check those videos out, link will be down in the description. On the back, we have iPhone 16 Plus, designed by Apple in California. This includes the iPhone 16 Plus USB-C charge cable, however, the power adapter and headphones are sold separately. And it is actually hearing aid compatible, so that's a plus. This is the iPhone 16 Plus in the white color, 128 gigs. Let's talk about the front of the box. We have the iPhone 16 Plus on here. The box is much bigger than the iPhone 16. The one on the right is the iPhone 16 and the one on the left is the iPhone 16 Plus. The box itself has the iPhone 16 Plus on here with the two cameras, as well as the microphone and flashlight, Apple logo. We have an Apple symbol on the top and bottom, as well as iPhone written on both sides. Now let's go ahead and open the box. I will say that it's so much harder to open the box, and it's not as satisfying. So I feel like the unboxing experience has been ruined this year because it definitely doesn't feel the same opening it. The phone itself looks beautiful. It has this white matte kind of finish. It's like frosted, but it truly makes the white color look a million times better. And I love the feeling of it. It feels luxurious for the price that you're getting. This is one of the cheaper iPhones. It's definitely much cheaper than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And you're still getting quality in the phone. So I do definitely love the design and the luxurious feel to the phone. We have our two cameras on the back with our microphone or speaker. You guys need to correct me if I'm wrong because I always mess this up. I don't know if it's a speaker or microphone over here. Then we have our flash with our Apple logo. On the bottom we have our USB-C port with a microphone and speaker, as well as our two little screws, 6 antenna bands. On the left side we have our action button on the top, which also is a silencer as well, so mute, unmute. Then we have our volume up and volume down button, our SIM card tray. On the right side, we have our camera control, and we have our power on and off switch. We have a screen protector that, of course, is not usable, but it's on here to avoid any scratches with the delivery process or things like that. On here, we have a few symbols. We have a bell symbol with a cross. We have a plus symbol. We have a minus symbol, so silence, volume up, volume down. On the bottom, we have a lightning symbol, which indicates that's where you charge your phone. On the right hand side we have a power symbol, which is power on and off. Then we have a camera symbol, which means that this is how you access camera. I'm beyond excited. Let's open it. Let's turn on the phone. While we're waiting for the phone to turn on, let's talk about what is in the box. First up is our cable, and we have our SIM eject tool. So SIM eject tool is right here. And this cable is the USB-C to USB-C cable. We do not have any more lightning cable and lightning port since last year, so we can't really use any other cable. We're kind of a Samsung user now technically because Samsung also uses USB-C, which is actually really good because if you have a friend that uses a Samsung, you have no worries. You can both use the same charger. And that's of course if you have the newer model of the iPhone, because the iPhone 14 Pro still has the lightning port. Then in the box, we have a little pamphlet. Unfortunately, I noticed this when I was unboxing the iPhone 16, there are no more Apple stickers. So all we're getting are boring instructions, unfortunately, and if you were an Apple sticker collector, those days are over. I was an Apple sticker collector, however, those days are over for me as well, but there's absolutely nothing. And even the quality of their instructions has gone awful, honestly. Yeah, I know we're trying to be environmentally friendly, but let's also be environmentally friendly to our pockets because we're paying so much money. We should get the bare minimum. And same with that. The adapter is sold separately. So this adapter that I have, I had to purchase separately earlier when I had gotten my iPhone 14 Pro because it didn't come with an adapter. So even this, environmentally friendly, yet we have to go and spend money from our pockets for something that we have to charge our phones. The phone has turned on. Let's set it up. English, Canada. Appearance can be default, medium, or large. I'm gonna leave it on default. Continue. Quick start, set up without another device. I'm gonna quickly put in our Wi-Fi code and I'll be right back. It is taking so long for the Wi-Fi to connect. And I don't know why, because the Wi-Fi connected very quickly on the iPhone 16. And literally it's like glitching because anyone you click, it just adds like a loading symbol. Finally, it connected to the Wi-Fi. Now we're gonna wait a few minutes for the iPhone to activate. Data and privacy continue. Set up iPhone, set up for myself. Face ID, let's set it up right now. Use Face ID with a mask. I'm going to set up later in settings. Face ID complete, it is now set up. Create an iPhone password. I'm just going to do 6 twos for the sake of time. I will be changing it after. We're gonna not transfer anything. Apple account, we're going to do don't have and set up later in settings. We're not gonna use right now. Terms and conditions, we're gonna agree, otherwise we can't use the phone. Update your iPhone automatically, continue. iMessage and FaceTime, continue. Location services, I'm just not gonna allow for now. And then set up cellular later in settings. Screen time, continue. iPhone analytics, share with Apple. App analytics, share with Apple. Light or dark display, I prefer auto. I like light, I like dark. It just depends on my mood for the day. So continue. Silent mode, continue. Then we have our action button. I think this time I'm going to set the action button to a flashlight. There are voice memos, recognize music, translate, magnifier, shortcut, accessibility, and no actions. But I'm going to set mine to flashlight for now. This phone is so big, it literally won't fit in my frame right now. Siri, continue.
The colors of the sky
fade with the setting sun.
as the stars begin to shine. The colors of the sky.
I'm gonna do voice 2. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Siri is ready and continue. Improve Siri and dictation, not now. Emergency, SOS, continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Let's test out the camera button. It goes right away on here. That is so cool. So as soon as you click this, it just accesses the camera. And then this one, you hold. Ta-da! Oh, that's so cool. And then you hold to turn it off. That is so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.